Guangzhou Baslan Industrial Company Limited is a leading professional bags and garments products manufacturer since 2006, located in Huadu District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, China. Led by a talent team, Guangzhou Baslan has been adhering to the guidance of product development based on customer needs, customer satisfaction to create brand Baslan. So we always provide high-quality products, competitive prices, and professional service to all clients from the worldwide. And we make a solemn promise that quality consistent with national standards, quality control, warranty or free exchange. That's why many big brands always have cooperate with us for many years till now. We have our own professional factories already passed the audit from L'Oreal, which located in Guangzhou and Qingyuan. The main products as following: Guangzhou Factory, laptop bag, briefcase, backpack, cosmetic bag, cooler bag, wallet, shopping bag, handbag, shoulder bag, drawstring bag, travel bag. Qingyuan Factory, t-shirt, polo shirt, hoodies, shirts, tank top, pants, dress. We always supply the service of embroidery logo, leather patch, hot pressing, 3D printing, printed, and other logo. Welcome ODM and OEM service all the time. We believe that honesty plus professional plus warm service plus competitive price plus qualified product equals long-term cooperation. Please send us your inquiry or let us know your idea anytime. We will offer our professional service for you for 24 hours. Hope we can build a win-win cooperation relationship with all our customers from the worldwide all the time.